Good morning, traders. Nick Mastrandrea, Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market bias video for Wednesday, February 5th. It's approximately 20 after 5 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia closed mainly lower, with the exception being the Japanese Nikkei exchange and the Indian Sensex, which traded higher. Currently, right now in Europe, Europe is mainly higher. It was completely higher a little while ago. However, some economic news came out in Europe regarding retail sales, which was not too stellar. And now it appears that the German DAX has taken a slight hit on it, but it's still trading mainly higher. We're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading lower. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. There is correlation today between the U.S. dollar and crude as of this writing. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. They've been trading higher pretty much all morning long. However, the U.S. futures for the indexes or the indices are trading fractionally lower right now. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing slightly lower. Metals in terms of gold is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Now, we were to take a look at the economic news that we have in the docket for the U.S. markets today. We do have quite a bit, and some of it is major. At 8:15 a.m., we do have ADP non-farm employment change. This is a major report. This is a proven market mover. We also have final services at 9 a.m. We have ISM non-manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. This is also considered to be major. We have an FOMC member speaking at 10 a.m., and we have absolutely no idea what they're going to say or talk about. At 10:30, which is usual and customary for Wednesday, we have crude oil inventories. This could move the crude markets. And at 12:30, we have an FOMC member speaking once again. Again, we have no idea what they're going to say or what they're going to talk about. All this being said, our bias is neutral. The reason why it's a neutral bias is because the market's not really giving us any sense of direction at the current time. I think that today's trading session is really going to be driven by economic news. And with a neutral bias, it basically means that the markets can go in any particular direction today. So if trading, be very mindful of that. Personally, I would probably wait till after 10 a.m. before making any kind of trading decisions, because the bulk of the majority of the economic reports would have been released, and it would probably give you a better sense of direction in terms of where the market is heading, where the market's going. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything can happen in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.